Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Heath, and today we're going to be checking out the FIFINE SC3 audio interface. Big shout out to FIFINE for providing me with this audio interface. We're going to go over the ins and outs of it. We're going to unbox it, show you what comes in the box, how to hook it up, and everything about this audio interface. We're going to be using it in conjunction with this FIFINE AM8 AmpliGame XLR microphone. We're going to show you everything about it. But anyway, let's jump in this video and let's check out this audio interface. Now that we've unboxed the FIFINE SC3 audio interface, we're going to go over the ins and outs of it. We're going to go over different features of the audio interface as well. As I said previously, we are using the AmpliGame AM8 USB XLR microphone connected directly to the interface with a XLR cable. Installation is very simple and very easy when it comes to connecting the audio interface to your computer. It comes with a USB Type-C to Type-A connection that connects directly to any USB port on your computer. Once you have it connected to your computer through the USB connection, you can plug the XLR cable directly into the back of the audio interface, connect the other end into your microphone, just as you see right here. The 4 sliders on the interface will allow you to directly control the volume of any devices you have connected to it. I currently have the gain for the microphone set to 100. We'll go through some different options as well. We'll turn the gain down to 50%, and then we'll turn it up to 75%, and then back to 100%. I currently have the Windows volume turned all the way to max. Normally with my other audio interface, in the past when I use this microphone, I can set it at 80%, and it will be significantly loud enough. And on the other audio interface, I would have it between 60 and 75% for clear sound quality coming from the microphone. So I will say, if depending on the microphone that you are using with this audio interface, you may need to provide some additional gain inside of your OBS software or whatever software you're using if it is not enough just strictly from the interface. I now have the gain turned down to 50%, and as you can tell, there is a significant decrease in volume from the microphone as well. We'll turn it up to 75, and then we'll turn it back up to 100% as well, just so you can see the varying differences in the sound quality and the sound difference in the microphone. We are now currently sitting at 75% on the audio interface, and this is how loud the microphone is. Like I said, I'm speaking about 2 inches from the face of the microphone. This is a dynamic microphone, so you should be speaking directly into the capsule, and this is the sound quality and the sound at 75%. So we are now back at 100% on the audio interface. Actually, for this microphone, I believe that is where it needs to be at to provide the best sound quality and to provide the best sound levels while you're using it. Since we've done the sound test on the audio interface, we'll go over the rest of the features that are included on this FIFINE SC3 audio interface. The main features that we're going to look at to start off with are the electronic feature, which basically adds an auto tune to our voice. It cycles through various different options each time you press the button, and as you go through each one, it changes the tone and style of your voice. So this is what it sounds like. I've enabled some of the auto-tune features. I'll go through a couple more of them just so you can hear exactly what it sounds like when you press the electric button on the interface itself. This is another one as well. This is the F mode, or F key for auto-tune, and this is what it does in my voice whenever you have it in F key. All right, so we've changed it once again. We're in the B key as well, and this is what it sounds like. There are some significantly different changes as you cycle through each and every one of them. Some of them change it very drastically, while others are just mild changes to your voice. Next, we'll look at the change voice option as well. We're not going to go through all of them, but we're going to go through a few of them just to give you an idea of what each one does. You can actually assign a particular voice to one of the custom buttons on the interface if you like one specifically.
So this is what my voice sounds like with the male change voice feature.
And this is what the female voice change sounds like with it enabled.
Now we've enabled the baby voice change option.
And we'll go back and change it back to the original voice after this.
So now we're back to my original voice. There are 6 different voice change options. I can see using this as a streamer, which is what this audio interface is designed for. The voice change option is actually pretty neat. As a streamer myself, it can add a little bit of extra something special to your stream just by changing your voice. You can have redemptions on your stream as well. Maybe if you want to have someone redeem a particular voice with channel points, you can use the voice change option to change your voice just to provide something fun and interactive for your viewers. The final thing we're going to take a look at is the RGB option. You can cycle through the different colors by pressing the button. If you want to turn the lighting off completely, you need to press and hold it for a few seconds, and then the lighting on the interface will cut off completely. You can turn it back on by pressing it once again, and each press cycles through a different solid color, and you also have a rainbow effect as well. And here we have it. This is my review of the FIFINE SC3 audio interface. If you like this interface and want to pick it up for yourself, there will be a link down in the description with a discount code as well provided by FIFINE. Again, big thanks to FIFINE for providing this audio interface. But until next time, hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, much love, peace out, and we'll see you soon.